Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Smartphone Awards 2020 powered by TechBugs for the tech that you want. 2020 wasn't a very great year for all of us. We are suffering from the COVID-19 pandemic. We were locked inside our homes for a very long time. But what it couldn't stop was innovation and the launch of very great smartphones. And many of the smartphones excelled in their areas. So let's start the Smartphone Awards 2020 with a huge round of applause. Starting the smartphone awards with the first category, that is best budget smartphone, or you can say the best smartphone under 20,000 rupees. So the nominees are Poco X3, Realme 7 Pro, Poco X2 and Motorola One Fusion Plus. And undoubtedly the winner is Realme 7 Pro with its stunning Super AMOLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, 65W fast charging and a very great cameras, and I could say very good cameras. And the runner-up is Poco X3 with 120Hz big display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor, decent cameras and liquid cooling. Moving on to our next category, that is the best mid-range smartphone of 2020, and the nominees are Realme X3 Super Zoom, OnePlus Nord, Vivo V20 Pro and the Asus 6G. And the winner of this category is OnePlus Nord with its 90Hz AMOLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G processor and very good cameras at this price point. And the runner-up here is Asus 6G with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, 48 plus 30 megapixel dual flip cameras and close to stock Android experience makes it a very great phone. So moving on to our next category. Moving on to our next category, that is the best flagship killer smartphone of 2020, and the nominees are Realme X50 Pro 5G, OnePlus 8T, Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and the Mi 10T Pro. And the winner of this category is OnePlus 8T with very good display, very good cameras and all the features of a flagship killer, if not the flagships, and it packs all the features of a flagship killer despite it has no wireless charging and no IP rating, but it is a very great value for money smartphone. And the runner-up of this category is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE with its very good display, very good cameras and all very good features, and it could have topped this category alongside the OnePlus 8T. But the only thing to mention here is it comes with a plastic back, which is not acceptable at this price point, but overall it is a very great smartphone. Moving on to our next category. So our next category is the absolutely best smartphones of 2020, and the nominees are Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Moto Edge Plus and the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the winner of this category is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, a 120Hz stunning Super AMOLED display, one of the best displays in the world with all the great features, and a stunning design makes it a great smartphone and the overall best smartphone, absolutely the best smartphone of 2020. And our runner-up is the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, undoubtedly the best iPhone ever existed with its very good and very stable iOS and very great cameras, and the nostalgic design from older iPhones make it a very great smartphone and very good iPhone and the best iPhone till date. Our next category is the best camera smartphone of 2020, and the nominees are Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, Mi 10 and the Apple iPhone 12 series. And the winner of this category is not actually one, but there are two winners. First one for the photography is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with its great cameras, and although there are couple of great smartphones with very good cameras and very great cameras, but they aren't launched in India, so we will consider our winner as the Note 20 Ultra. And for videography, no doubt there is only one king in this category, and that is the iPhones. So Apple iPhone 12 series is the winner for the videography, most stable videos, most good looking videos and overall very good video quality which no other Android smartphone can match. Moving on to our next category, that is the most innovative smartphone of 2020, and the only winner of this category and only nominees of this category is the LG Wing with its very good concept. I can say no words for this smartphone. It is a most innovative smartphone of 2020. We haven't seen any kind of smartphone this before, and I can say this is the best innovative or most innovative smartphone of 2020. Moving on to our next category, that is the most improved smartphone of 2020 from the past generation, and that is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. The Samsung Galaxy Fold was the first foldable smartphone from Samsung, and undoubtedly it was a very great smartphone, but it lacked too many features and it wasn't completely ready for the consumers. But Z Fold 2 eliminates all the problems which we had in the Samsung Galaxy Fold, and it is the most improved version of any foldable smartphone ever existed, and I can say that this is the most improved smartphone of 2020 from its past generation. Moving on to our next category, that is the best compact smartphone of 2020, and the nominees are Pixel 4a, iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone SE 2020, and the winner of this category is the Pixel 4a with very compact design, stock Android and the great cameras from Google, means very good software processing from Google. Although it has only single camera at the back, but this Google software processing creates some magic and make the photo look stunning. So the compact phone of 2020 award goes to the Pixel 4a, and the runner-up of this category is iPhone 12 mini, and it is also a very compact phone and a very good looking smartphone, and all the feature pack, although it is a very compact phone, but it has all the features included you need, and very good stable iOS and whatnot, and the old nostalgic design from old iPhones make it a very good phone. But the only problem with this smartphone is it is very costly. It costs around 80,000 rupees, and considering the value for money thing, I can say that Pixel 4a is the best compact smartphone of 2020. Moving on to our next category, that is the best gaming smartphone of 2020, and easily the winner is ROG Phone 3. It has everything you can expect from a gaming smartphone. It has a 144Hz AMOLED display, 6000 mAh battery, very great processor and liquid cooling, and tons of accessories are available for this smartphone, and there is only one king in this category, and the best gaming smartphone of 2020 award goes to the ROG Phone 3. So moving on to our next category, and the last category is the best all-around smartphone of 2020. Means in this category we are also looking for the prices of these smartphones compared to their specification they are providing. So the nominees for this category are the OnePlus 8 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and the Motorola Edge Plus. So the winner of this category is OnePlus 8 Pro with very good display, Oxygen OS, water and dust resistant, wireless charging and every other feature that you can expect from a smartphone cost that price, and this is the best smartphone and best all-around smartphone of 2020 considering the specification it offers and the price it comes at. It is the great value for money smartphone and best all-around smartphone of 2020. So those were our awards for the best smartphones of 2020. Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite smartphone, and the last category that remains is that best gadget of 2020, and there were many gadgets launched in 2020, the PlayStation 5, the Xbox Series, the Sony A7 S3 and many other different gadgets were launched in 2020. Let us know in the comment section which is your favorite. To vote your favorite gadget of 2020 in the comment box, write my favorite gadget of 2020 space is whatever the gadget you want to say. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the awards of 2020, best smartphone awards of 2020. See you in the next video. Till then, this is Karan Garde signing off. And I got this soul.